Alright guys, we are live.
Hey guys, it's Dr. Emer. I'm like really excited because I actually haven't seen, my whole staff has seen my client over the past few weeks, but I haven't. And she basically had what almost like a mommy makeover, like a full body transformation. I call it supermodel lipo, but you can call it whatever you want. She had a breast lift where we did fat grafting, but she's so tiny that we had to take fat from so many areas, her legs, her stomach, even her calves, which I'll show you here. Look at her calves from the back before. Turn all the way around. I want to show people now that there's pigmentation right now from the spots, but look how small her calves are compared to where they were before. It's unbelievable. Those spots will fade over the next year, but we did, a little bit to legs. We did her torso. You can see how small. I'll show you the back side of her torso. Look before. She had a lot of this loose sagging area. She had this fold right here. Turn a little 45, like right there.
Can you put your arms up?
Arms across. Yeah. Now look how small and little she is now. Basically no fat there, and you can see here there was a big lump overall fat we had to get from her arms. I mean, everywhere we are now, she's just tighter. A lot of this discoloration is because of her skin tone. That will go away over the course of a year. Okay, now rotate back. And I'm going to show everybody. Yep, just kind of keep turning. Keep turning, keep turning. And we're going to show her body. Turn a little 45 this way. Good. Now you can just see how tiny she is from the sides and everything. She's so small. I mean, look at before, also her breasts. Look how raised they are. Look how pretty they are. All the scars are healing. Remember, healing takes up to a year, sometimes a little longer. And even in this short time, I had said to her she really needed a tummy tuck. And you can see she still has some softness here, but look how much tighter it is with the Renuvion plasma. It actually did really well. I'm very impressed with how it is without having to do the skin removal. And the only thing now remaining is just doing radiofrequency treatments, stuff to tighten the muscle. You can see overall, I mean, she has a really nice curve. Everything's tighter, her calves are smaller, and honestly, I think of all the things, I think the breast is even the most impressive. It's lifted without an implant. She did natural fat grafting and natural augmentation with fat, and I just want you guys to see the level of droopiness before. Here's the before droopiness. You see it? Now when we turn her to the side, perky. That's the key. Look at that. It's perky. And that's it. I just want her to feel really good in it clothes and out of clothes. So now as she's healing, we can get her some new bikinis and underwear, lingerie, whatever she needs. And she'll look great. Even look at her arms. Look how slim. She basically has what we see as the supermodel arms. I mean, it looks great. Everything's healing perfectly. These little spots that you see, let me show them from the front. Yeah, these little spots here because of her, just overall, her skin tone. And we will laser these and get her skincare. She's doing great on her scarring from her breast. Everything's totally fine there. We're going to give her, she's using stem cell therapy, some stuff from Emer skin, anti-age. And other than that, she's great. And you can see even here, look how flat and nice, even with the softer skin. So I'm really happy with the result. She's really happy with the result. I'm sure you guys are going to be shocked by the end result in about a year because it continues to improve. But that's it. Any questions they're asking?
Okay, we have a few people asked the age range for her. Can we give them an age range?
30s? 30s to 40s.
Okay.
30s to 40s, wink.
Okay, they say, wow, we love the breast. Amazing job, doctor.
Look unbelievable. I didn't do this.
Men can get this too, question mark?
Oh, say that again?
Someone asked if men can get this. They must not follow us.
Yeah, they must not be following. Men can do, we call it the gladiator makeover. Obviously, we have multiple plastic surgeons. I brought one of our specialized plastic surgeons in for her because he does a lot of lifting with fat grafting. So I went to all these areas to get the fat, and you can see it really worked because look at the volume here. Very low volume, and look at the volume now, very natural and filled. We didn't have a lot to work with because she's thin, but it worked great. What else?
They're commenting on the breast again. A few more comments on that.
Her breast, that's good. She loves her breast.
That's what we're getting a lot of comments on.
This is the key. The key is satisfaction in and out of clothes. Years ago when we would do this, people would be smaller, but they would look really crappy when they took their clothes off. Now the goal is, let's get our women and our men to look beautiful when they're in their underwear or they're running around naked. You know what I mean? And she does. I actually want her to be running around here naked because she looks so good. So maybe we'll get her to do that after we're done filming, okay? So have a great weekend, you guys. This is our female makeover for Friday. And showing you an update because I know how obsessive you guys are with our updates now. Bye. Yeah, it looks unbelievable. Look, I want to show you something. I didn't even